A lot has happened in Data Plus in the last few months. So today we want to take a step back and have a look at the big picture. Why do we do what we do? And usually we share practical examples and hopefully we inspire you to do more with Qlik. But today we want to show you why we're doing all of this. And as you may remember, we didn't build Data Plus to sell this. We built it to use it on our own, which you can feel throughout using the product. And when we take a step back, we already have everything in the Qlik platform that we need, right? We have the data integration to all the different sources, the CRM, the ERP, and this is great to get started with Qlik, to build all these apps. But what we have seen in our past is that we basically reached the analytics ceiling, right? At first, it's easy to create the first use cases that create a lot of value, but at some point, you want to do more, right? You want to do more with Qlik. And that's why we have built Data Plus to enable you to do exactly that, right? To add a comment, to add a dropdown, to add the next step directly in Qlik instead of jumping to the ERP or some other third-party tool. And now you see all the use cases that are possible when you combine Qlik and Data Plus. And the next layer that has happened, especially over the last few weeks since Qlik Connect, is our own MCP that we have added to the Qlik MCP to allow you to interact with all the structured data that you have in Qlik, and to add the flexibility and speed of a large language model in a structured way that makes your colleagues a lot more efficient. And here you see all the growth that has taken place in the Data Plus suite. And the best part for you as a user of this extension suite is that all of this is included. So you never have to worry about the license cost, because all of these new features like the Kanban board, like the Gantt chart, all of these are included. Because we want you to be able to do more with Qlik, to extend what is possible and to enable action right there where you are, to leverage this value. So we hope, if you're not a Data Plus community member yet, that this inspired you to try it out, to see what is possible. If you have feedback, what still is missing, what you would like to add to this extension suite, please let us know. And we're very happy to get you started for free, to give you a free license, to get you some free onboarding, so you can try it out in your own Qlik environment, to see how great it works. So thank you and have a great day.